Basically, how I look at Powerfish is something like a cricket ground where, for example, everyone who plays on the cricket ground are players. There's no doubt about that. They are not teachers, they are not professors, they are not doctors, they are players, they are cricketers. But what Pufferfish is all about is giving a facility, is giving an opportunity for everyone to come and play on the ground. Because when you play in nets, indoors nets, and when you play on the ground, under pressure, in front of the crowd, that is where everything comes out. That is where the pressure comes out. That is where you deal with the techniques. That is where you play exactly how it should be played. You make mistakes there, but you learn the next time. But when you play the same shots, same thing, indoor grounds, indoor nets, though you make mistakes, you won't feel how much mistakes that you would have done. Uma Sangakkara is doing daily practice sessions in the morning at 5 a.m. to 7 a.m. But that 2 hours is just as 2 minutes on the ground, live playing in front of the public under different circumstances. So what you all have done, I'm just taking this example so that everyone will understand how precious the pufferfish is. Because everyone can speak English. There's no question about that. There's no question about that. Otherwise, we all won't be here. But to what extent, to what degrees, and what are the fine tunings is taught in pufferfish platform. Because, for example, there are different degrees in which people will speak English language. We are not talking Greek. We are not talking Korean language. We are talking English. We have heard, we have spoken, but it gives an opportunity to everyone to elevate themselves from where they stand. For example, I may be at 60%, at 60%. Someone else will be at 75%. Someone will be at 30%, But definitely by getting into this platform, no one for sure, God willing, will not decrease or will not come down in their percentages. You understand? So for example, if someone who is at 30%, for example, and if Pufferfish facilitates with its resources, with its powerful super resources, committed resources, can elevate their speaking abilities, speaking skills, and with all leadership skills to a level who can come up to say 70%, for example. From 30 to 70%, that is a lifetime investment. That's a lifetime achievement. If someone speaks at 30%, I'm just taking very layman language, layman examples so that everyone will understand. If someone who comes to this platform, fresh, new guy who has not heard of Powerfish at all, at 30% level of competency, and after a certain period, if he can elevate himself to 70%, by your coaching, by your techniques, by your commitment, I'm sure you all can do it, definitely. There's no question about God willing. But if you can increase up to 70%, that 40% elevation is for me, it's invaluable, because it's a lifetime. And that 70% very unlikely will come back to 30%, 40% for sure. It's a matter of, the matter of keeping the momentum going. And definitely, a guy who can speak at 30% and increase up to 70% will definitely, for sure, he'll come up to 90% very soon. With that inspiration, with that motivation, with that achievement. For that, I think money can't value. It's not 20. It's not one of the amount that you all are charging, whatever it is. It's that elevation, that standard, that increase in standard. That 40% increase is invaluable in terms of what that 40% could do. Definitely, for sure, in whatever circumstances, he may be a corporate guy, he may be an entrepreneur, he might be in different teaching, he might be different levels of his working career, of his professional. But that definitely will add value to everything what he does. So that is what I feel where Pufferfish is, and we as participants, including myself, should definitely will make use of it, and we'll be in a different level. And that's, as I repeat it again, it's a one-time investment, and for that one-time investment is invaluable for me. The results will be absolutely amazing for everyone, and you can do wonders after that. So this is how I perceive as Pufferfish, and excellent job, and keep going, Shoaib and the team. Thank you.